Hi everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we will be having an appetizer recipe, Cheesy Beef Dynamite Lumpia. Enjoy watching till the end! To remove the excess oil. Wow! Look at the cheese! It's melting inside. So yummy! You should try this, guys. It's a perfect appetizer for your meal. Combined with our homemade chili soy sauce and ketchup with mayonnaise, it's heaven. Our homemade cheesy beef dynamite lumpia.
I'm gonna pay for
Thanks for watching mga ka-jabagap. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye!